We're at the point where we're going to take off the throttle. I'm going to follow him all the way. We're in the breakdown area right now, and we're right at the beginning. According to him, we're on part 1, lesson 1, the one that was created a year ago from 2025. So let me let this guy introduce himself again, and once he gets introduced, we'll just get started. Transmissionbench.com.
This video classroom lesson is sponsored by Transmission Bench. Visit the transmissionbench.com store for the deluxe super kit, other parts, and even the video classroom lessons used during this project. We've arrived at a very exciting point in this project. We're about to explore what could be the most mysterious and misunderstood area of vehicle repair: the valve body of an automatic transmission. A lot of people are intimidated by this assembly and feel that it's too much of a challenge for them to work on. But the truth is, it's not that bad, as you're about to see. I'm glad you're back. This is Project 4L60E, Part 1, Lesson 4. In the last lesson, we took off the pan, disconnected the wiring harness, and removed the filter along with a few other parts. In this lesson,
now we did not disconnect the wiring harness. We laid the wiring harness to the side. As you can see right here, the wiring harness is on the side. And likewise, I can't go over there to mine right now. My wiring harness is on the side just as well. So that's where we are right now. Just to clarify.
Remove the valve body, 1 to 2 accumulator, and the separator plate located between the valve body.
What did he say he was going to do? Let's see. Guess y'all get tired of them dogs barking all the time. I can't help it. I live in a rat neighborhood.
In the last lesson, we took off the pan, disconnected the wiring harness, and removed the filter along with a few other parts. In this lesson, we'll remove the valve body, 1 to 2 accumulator, and the separator plate located between the valve body and the case.
3 things. Valve body.
You'll need 8
I don't
and
have
10
one of
millimeter
these.
Sockets, extension,
I don't have a magnet.
ratchets,
I got a magnet, but I have to make
and
a magnet from
magnetic
something
tool
else.
similar to this one. Before we get started, I want to pause and take time to encourage you to stay with this project.
All right.
As I
I'm
said
staying with you,
before,
buddy. Let's get to work.
it is the variety of bolts. Let me show you. The only complicated aspect of this area is the variety of bolts. 17 bolts hold the valve body in place. 3 have 8 millimeter heads and are located, as you see here, in blue. The other 14 bolts have 10 millimeter heads and are located, as you see here, in red. Use an 8 millimeter socket to remove the 3 bolts here.
Put it in the box.
Place them in the small parts box.
8 millimeter bolts.
Use a 10 millimeter socket and remove the bolts indicated here.
10 millimeter bolts. Don't remove
there
these.
There are 3 different lengths to this group of bolts.
Don't remove these.
These two are the shortest. This bracket limits the dipstick travel into the pan.
Took off the bracket first. That one goes next to the bracket. Those are the 2 short ones.
These 3 are the longest.
Take out the longest one.
remove the remaining 9.
Okay, guys, we know what we got to do. I don't want to show everything. I want you guys to go to his video and take a look at it. And we're going to do that. We're going to remove those first 2 bolts. And then we're going to remove those 3 bolts. And then the other 9 bolts. All right, I'll get with y'all in a minute after I get my place set up.